Welcome to the advanced guide to Revolut Commodities trading. This tutorial will walk you through the process of trading commodities on the Revolut platform. To get started, you need to understand what commodities are. Commodities are raw materials or goods that can be bought and sold, such as gold, oil, and wheat. First, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once you have an account, you can navigate to the trading section and select commodities from the list of available markets. Revolut offers a range of commodities to trade, including precious metals, energy, and agricultural products. Before you start trading, it is essential to understand the different types of orders you can place. These include market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is an instruction to buy or sell a commodity at the current market price. A limit order is an instruction to buy or sell a commodity at a specific price. And a stop-loss order is an instruction to sell a commodity when it reaches a certain price to limit your losses. To place a trade, select the commodity you want to trade, choose the type of order you want to place, and enter the amount you want to trade. You can also set a take profit and stop loss level to automatically close your trade when it reaches a certain price. It is crucial to have a trading strategy in place before you start trading. This can include technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to predict price movements, while fundamental analysis involves studying economic and market data to predict price movements. Revolut also offers a range of tools and features to help you trade commodities, including real-time price charts, market news, and analysis. You can use these tools to stay up to date with market developments and make informed trading decisions. Best practices for trading commodities on Revolut include starting with a small amount of money, setting a budget, and not risking more than you can afford to lose. It is also essential to stay disciplined and patient, as commodities trading can be volatile and unpredictable. In conclusion, trading commodities on Revolut can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn returns. But it is crucial to understand the risks and rewards involved. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with trading commodities on Revolut and start building your wealth. Remember to always do your research, set a trading strategy, and use the tools and features available on the platform to make informed trading decisions.